She went brunette. Did she go brunette? Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this hair right here and how to get it. Did I go brunette? Girl, is she brunette? I've done this look with different color hair before and you guys are asking me how I do it. Oh, my shirt's oh, my OnlyFans. You're gonna see the background change because I felt like afterwards when this hair was on, it was like mushing into the background. So this background like emphasizes the hair even better. I should have had this background the whole time, so sorry about that, girl. I didn't know it was gonna do that. Do you think I should go brunette? I was actually thinking about it for a while, but then I'm like, nah, like blonde is my calling. This is a tutorial, short and sweet, to show you guys how I did it. So I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, let's get started. I would suggest like day old or maybe 2-day old hair. So this is a good day to put my hair up in this when I have all those natural oils in my hair and I don't want to show it, and we're gonna be putting product on it anyway, so you won't even see that it's greasy. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a ponytail extension. So this is the one that I've used in lots of my videos, tutorials, TikToks, stuff like that, and you guys always ask me what it is. This is what it looks like on the inside. So there's a drawstring and then there's 2 little clips in here. You could literally get any color. I have darker roots and this one still looked good as blonde. You could get blonde, red, blue, green, anything you guys want, black. It doesn't really matter what color your roots are if they match, in my opinion. It's just like you do whatever you want in life, you know what I mean? Go for it. So if you want to have a bleach blonde moment, it'll work. Like, it's fine if your roots are like black, in my opinion. If you think it's tacky, that's okay, but they're just roots and you're gonna be seeing the hair anyway. So if you always wanted like a doll moment, maybe get that. This is what I get. It's basically, I'm gonna pop it up right here as I'm talking, but basically I just, my hairdresser told me to type this in to Amazon and he's the one that linked this to me. Shout out to Derek at Kleptomania. But it is a drawstring ponytail extension. That's what I type in, and the one that I get are from Pretty Shop. So that's the one I got here, and this is 22 inches. So I just got the same one again. We're gonna try this, but I got chocolate brown this time. Right here. So this is a way for me to like look like I've got some brown hair going on, but not actually dye my hair and put my hair up because it's a grease ball. Unboxing! Ooh. There's the info, girly pants. It's by Pretty Shop, and then there's all this detail here. So I have 2 of these actually because you can also wear them as pigtails, which I have here to show you guys as well. So you get 2 of them and wear them as pigtails, or just wear it as like an Ariana Grande ponytail style. They're 100% polyester though, so I wouldn't suggest like putting heat on them. But then again, I'm not a hairstylist and I don't know anything about life. I feel like this one's shorter than this one. Maybe a little bit. Maybe this one's like 20 inches. I got scammed. Just kidding. And then you have a drawstring. So I thought maybe I got the 20-inch one. It does say 22 inches. It's definitely shorter though. But you know what? So you just get what you get. It's like a mystery box. It doesn't matter to me though. So it is tied up right now. So what you're gonna do is what I do. It just makes it way easier if this is like really open and wide. So I'm gonna widely open her up, girl. Yeah, like this. Why? Okay, we're gonna flip all of our hair, gather it. Ugh. So I'm gonna start combing the big bumps out of my head. This is the part where I could never get right. Like even in school, all these girls would have like smooth ponytails and I'm like, what the hell? Like I can't do that. Like I can't smooth out my bumps. I can't even smooth out my life. How am I supposed to smooth out a hair bump? Something that's so simple. That's where having day-old hair or 2-day-old hair comes into play. The grease just slicks back, girl. Okay, now with a fine-tooth comb, gather it as well, and at the same time you want to make sure that it's in position where you want it. So yeah, about there is where I want it. I'm gonna take some hair gel. Honestly, any hair gel will do. I use the Got2b one. I'm just gonna make it like slick back. I do one side at a time and just, whoops, I hit you guys in the face, sorry. So I just take some on my hand, mush it together and go like this. Especially the baby flyaways and stuff. So once it's all pretty slicked back, I'm gonna grab a ponytail. I'm doing this blind. I should have got a mirror. Like, what am I? I'm using like the viewfinder. It's probably not gonna be cute. There, just do that for now. Now is the part where you wanna make this as tiny as possible. Okay, well, I'm just gonna make this as small as possible, honestly. Make it a little bun. bobby pin any of these pieces that are like flying. Take this and make sure that it's opened a lot. She is open. And we are going to grab these 2 clips right here. I like to keep the drawstring at the back just in case it does hang out. Slip this right over top. And then I just like push in. Do you see that? Now I gotta find the drawstring. Now we're on a freaking hunt. I found the drawstring. Once it's secured, is pull it really tight. I'm just gonna pull it really tight like that. I feel like I wasn't showing the drawstring part right. So when I open the drawstring, that is what I'm doing. See how open it gets? And then once it's secured in my head, take the drawstring and pull it tight like this so that it is tiny like that. That is what I'm doing. And then you have hair, girl. Look at that. Woo! So now you're gonna have these little strings. Now if you're using the blonde or a lighter color, you're really gonna see them. So all I do is so last time I wrapped it around, it was fine. Now it's like showing. So I think I'm just going to bobby pin it up so you don't see it. Just as long as it's out of the way. I feel like right now I look like Sorsha, like the vegan YouTuber, TikToker. I feel like I look like her a little bit right now. It's giving me Sorsha vibes. So there, I just clipped it out of the way, that little string that hangs down. And there you go. I feel like a Kardashian right now. And to slick it back some more, you can do some more, you know, gel. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Let me know if you guys tried this out, if you order this. You could probably find some maybe at your local beauty shop. This is what it looks like up close so you can't see anything. It secures really good, like those little clips. And with the drawstring, it just like puts it right in place. And that's all I do for this. You guys have been asking me for a tutorial on this. I finally can do it myself and I'm so excited. And like literally any hair color is under the sun and you don't have to dye your hair or ruin your own hair. And it's literally just so quick to just put this up and you can have some luscious locks. So let me know what you guys think and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video on how do you guys feel of me as a brunette. I love you guys. Bye.